Time check mga makulista, 8:10 na ng gabi. At tignan natin yung view dito sa hotel na pinag-i-stayhan namin ngayon. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, oh. May mga ano doon, no? Night market. Ano doon? Tapos ayun, may mga boat. Ganda, no? Nakaka-relax.
Picture this, you're standing at 11 Barracks Square, Perth, Australia, taking in the breathtaking sights of the city. The lights of the towers create a mesmerizing atmosphere, and the water adds a touch of tranquility. It's a true sight to behold. Thanks for joining us on our virtual journey. If you enjoyed this story, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing views. Until next time.